Hey, welcome to Odd Jobs. I'm taking down Lathe and Plaster, and this is something that's always been a messy job. Everybody knows it's a messy job, but I kind of got a little bit of a routine. I hope you get something out of this. One of the things I concentrate on is airflow, ventilation. You're going to stir up a lot of dust. In my wanderings, I came across one of these. I didn't even know what it was, but it sure moves a lot of air. Turns out it's a carbon filter, and it's going to suck all the dust at the bottom, and well, it's just going to hold on to the dust, which is good. I like it. So now I'm going to come back here. I'll show you two ways when I do this. If you're against a brick wall, this becomes very easy. Very messy, but very easy. Now, you can be fast and just smash the heck out of it, but I don't worry about fast. I want it to be clean and control dust. So I'm going to pop off all the slats. And as I go up, you see the plastic. Oh yeah, don't try and do a big massive area all at once. Be controlled. You can see by this wall that I've already removed a large amount of it, but I was going at 3-foot sections at a time or 4-foot sections at a time. And so this is my last section. A lot of these slats are 48 inches long anyway, and so as you pull them off, you end up undoing a 4-foot section of wall. When I get to a certain height, like this, it's going to get a little awkward. I'm going to do a little cleanup. And clean up as you go. Don't wait till the end because it's overwhelming. Create a lot of dust. This might be a good time to mention if you wanted to keep your floors clean, it's too late now. If you wanted to keep your floors from getting damaged, it's too late now. Should have done that at the beginning. This flooring we're not saving. We're going right over top. Now I'm breaking out the big gun. I don't want to get on a ladder. I got my big long landscape tri-bar. It's seen better days, but it's okay for this. And I'm simply going to run the bar up each side of my nailing strips here and just pull the lathe away and the plastic is going to fall. There. Something else. Oh yeah. Okay, better get that one. Okay, we're just going to move right on ahead. This is the one technique that I use against the brick wall. It works every time. You could use it, I guess, for any wall, but you risk puncturing the other side. Against the brick, it's easy this way, and it's fast. And you can see it's not that bad of a mess, as long as you have moving air. Okay, we're going to go to number 2, the other method I have. So without a stud finder, you won't know where the stud is. So I have a stud finder. I'm not going to use it. I'm going to show you how we do this from the other side. So this side of the room is already removed. This was just drywall that was over top. So we need to remove a little bit of this stuff. And I'll show you how we'll take this off without hurting this side. I want to cut along this here 2x4 so that we can open up this side. So I want to cut a straight line down here, but I'm not going to cut it from this side. And we're going to cut along here to this beam, but no farther. I have to apologize. I keep calling studs beams and beams studs and joists. I keep mixing them up. Hopefully you understand what I'm meaning. I went this far. Going to do the same higher up. The slat there, I got a slat up here, and I want to cut into here just so I have a good idea of what I'm dealing with there. So I've got 3 marks here. It's going to give me a line on the other side that I can scribe, and then I can cut. So from here to here and down to there is a part of the 2x4, the stud, that I want to expose. So I'm just going to score a line here from that corner there. It's going to go, that's pretty good. So this line is scored here, that's going to break the paint. And then we're going to cut through the plaster. Here to stop your plaster from being ripped off the wall is to keep your foot, your paddle here, tight against the wall. And that way, there's no vibration on the wall itself. we can just simply remove the plaster and the lathe. That's pretty good. Okay, and that's how you have it. Boy, we got a nice edge here. So if this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching Odd Job, and we'll see you soon.